Okay, we will solve this one. The sum of a over a plus b and b over a plus b is equal to, okay, so dito sa choices, so isolve muna natin ito. So a over a plus b plus, kasi sum yan, di ba? So b over a plus b. Okay, so ngayon ang gagawin natin dito, kapag the same yung kanilang denominator, so we have to copy their common denominator na a plus b. Then kopyahin natin si a, kopyahin natin yung plus sign, at kopyahin natin yung b. Okay, so ngayon i-divide natin yan. So the same yung numerator at saka denominator. Okay, therefore a plus b divided by a plus b is equal to 1. So dito sa choices, letter D is the correct answer.